Hey guys, Fishy here, and I wanted to go back and revisit some of the groups that are rather poorly moderated and see what's still being posted there. It's been a week or two since I've really followed through and looked at what was going on there to see whether there are any changes, and I thought we would see if we find any fake or foreign profiles there. So I started here and I found this post from Anna Bukina. It's a incomplete quote from Jimmy Kimmel and a site where you have to click on it to find out what the fill in the blanks are supposed to be. And when I looked at her, check-ins, places visited, Pakistan and the UK. Well, that's interesting. And these are the pictures that she comments on. And if we look at this one and look for her comment here, that's not English. So I mean, does she have Pakistan ties and lives here now? I don't know, but I just thought you should know that this is someone who claims to be working at Boston Celtics, studying at Boston College, and is posting this stuff, comments on things like this and posting content like this in groups targeting Americans and targeting Trump supporters. So that's interesting. Then I saw this post from Salim Osmani about, would you fly the American flag in your front yard? That's some bait right there. When we check into Salim claims he actually lives in Pristina, Kosovo. That's interesting. And there's no English on Salim's wall. Everything is in another language. Probably not someone who lives in the United States. So that's something to consider. Why would he be so concerned about whether people would fly the American flag in their front yard? Then, Adeline Zogaj, I don't know. Come on, guys, flood Facebook with our flag, land of the free because of the brave. But when we look into Adeline, these are the things that she comments on. These are the posts. It's Albanian, comments in Albanian. And you can see that if you click on photos that she's commenting on. There it is, right there. When you put that in Google Translate, it's going to tell you it's Albanian. Why is she so concerned with the American flag? This guy, Jamar Sabalbora, I can't even say it. I'm so embarrassed. First thing I saw when I saw the name is this is probably a Filipino-related account. And, posting about Adam Schiff, wanted to make real sure that you knew that he was an enemy of Trump. And then when we look at his profile and we start looking at these wall posts, yeah, this is Filipino. This is, I can't even remember if you say Tagalog. And this is interesting. Facebook account for sale, 4,000 plus friends. That's a post he's interested in. And other things on here. There's no English hardly at all on this wall. Hardly any bit of it. So why is he so concerned about Adam Schiff and Trump? Don't know. And when you look at photos, here you go. Commenting in another language, not in English. It's just a thing. Jana looked up. Jana Salivan was very interested in posting about the NSA contractor who was arrested. This is what her posts look like. This is Russian. She is posting in Russian about house and home building materials. And then, right down here, some Trump groups. Trump groups. Sending content to Trump groups. Donald Trump News. Continue down a little further. Vote Trump only, the American Party rising, and the same stories. And then we're back to Russian. This is a relatively new thing this account is doing. Interesting. Mohammed Sahel has this lovely picture of Melania. But let's look closer at Mohammed. This is Hindi and Urdu on his wall. And his check-ins are in Pakistan. All of them are practically all of them. There's some in the Middle East, but here, almost all in Pakistan. And when we look at the pictures that he's commented on, and you could see what he's said, Mohammed Sahel, let's see, right there, not in English. Okay. So, and this is where he posts. We love Donald Trump. United Americans elected Donald Trump. The Ivanka Tiffany fans, here we are back in Arabic. And, again, it's just rampant. Foreigners very, very invested in what's going on in the American Facebook groups. And I'm not even going to get into this one. This is a troll, I'm sure, that's posting there. But yeah, so the groups are still a mess. And it brings up the question, what can Facebook do about foreign accounts, absolutely identified as foreign accounts, posting content into Facebook groups that are geared toward and targeted toward Americans? Should Facebook put any controls on that? I think that's a conversation that we need to have and that nobody currently is talking about.